This is where I'm going to be, about there. This is where I'm pinching the idea from. I never have a hope of getting this. I mean, it's different, but it's the same. Still have to take more off there. Yeah. Have to go. Oh, that's pretty deep in there. Yeah, it needs to go pretty deep in there. So, I don't know if you can see it. It's all a trial and error, isn't it, people? Yeah, couldn't find my safety glasses, so just got my normal glasses. Look at that side right there. That's a major Fruit Loop, that hole. But if I can. It's looking very blunt. Now, fuck it, there's too much on the side, but that's alright. Need to make more hip. I think it's getting blunt. Yeah. See how well, come on. This is going to go pear-shaped, people, and it's just going to get worse. It's not going to look good. And we're going to accept that, aren't we? We're going to be happy with that. We're happy with it. We tried, but we failed. This is what I think it's going to be. It's weird where the knees go, because they go back out. Oops. And they go real thin there, so. It's just getting worse. The knees, oh, damn, the knees need to be high. Oh, should be a point here. Far, how much we got on the side? Damn it. We can probably get it. Just have to turn it around. That's a difficult one. It's harder. Oh, what the hell's on there? I'm going to try now. That's not that. Damn it. Come to me. 5 skills you. Okay, $3. See what I can put you. What's wrong around? Oh, you're such a funny bugger. Okay. Oh, we're in trouble. We're not happy hitting that. Because they'd have to be like there and then. You reckon? That looks alright. We've got to make sure we're in line. What is wrong with you? Plenty of power. Why are you locked up? Oh, you've gone too tight. Just so frustrating. You can't even see it because I'm not pointing out. It's almost impossible. No, I'm having a meltdown, people. damn it. Should be getting loose, not tight. Alright, it's working again. Jesus, it's ugly now. As far as I can tell, that's the side that has to come on. It's really hard to say. Look at that arm. That arm's the size of an elephant. Oh, this could all go to crap, I tell you what. I can't tell because we can't lose that. I hope there's going to be enough wood to hold it on, but yeah, by the looks of it, that's just... She's a big girl with arms like that. So you hate fall through that thing. Oh, that one's going to snap too. I'm going to have to clear out the work area just to get the work done. How you going?
Good, how are you?
Yeah, not too bad.
What are you making?
Hopefully it's going to be a lady diving into the water.
Oh, cool.
Hopefully.
Oh. Yeah. Can you see it? Awesome.
You guys don't mind being on YouTube?
No.
Cool, because you are. But as long as it's okay with you guys.
We used to take, he was like into chainsaws like so much.
All right, yeah.
We used to take him up to the chainsaw competition up at Sky
Yep.
High
Yep.
every year. He loved it. So.
Yeah, awesome. Oh, it's a good thing to get into. Yeah.
Cool.
No worries, all right.
Good luck.
Good to see you, thanks. Far out. I just made a mess of it. Mouthful of bloody sawdust. Have I gone too far in? Yep, I have. It's life. Far out, man. This is so bad. Made the flame. See, that one's not. I'm going to transfer that angle. See, I don't think it's using any bloody oil. I don't think the oil feed is running. And that's loose now. It's just crazy, isn't it? Oh, come on. Jesus, glasses are falling off. Oh, I think we're gonna have a breakdown, people. Because I'm trying to go for my rail license, as some of you might know, and it looks like Well, I'm not going to presume, but it looks like I might file the medical and it's going to be no chance whatsoever. And I'm flipping out. And I'm going to rally school on Saturday. Super excited, super excited. At least I get to drive a rally car for once. They cancelled me because of Total Fireband Day 2 months ago. I was going for my birthday and, you know, since I've already died, they brought me back to life. You know, I wasted so much of my life. I've always wanted to get a rally, but my autism makes it so hard to ring people, to contact people. Like, if I haven't spoken to someone before, I can't tell you how intense the feeling is of anxiety, or I suppose anxiety, of what it's like to try and do it. And it's like a fire inside your brain, and it's like, so scary, so scary, so scary. And yeah, and it's a lot of the time it's just way too much, and I can't deal with it. Okay. Jesus Christ, I'm struggling. Now YouTube have changed the way it records shorts. If it shows somebody, then it calls that a view, and that's not a view. So it wrecks all your numbers, all your video get mixed in with that, you know. So, and it was live before, so you knew whether people were watching it or not, and then you could either change it or, you know, take it off if it's not running good, and then think about what you've done, you know. But now you just don't know, and it doesn't tell you till later, and it tells you that all these people got showed, but they might have swapped away as views, and it's just so wrong. So people, go to Creator Insider. I think it's not this week's, but last week's Creator Insider. It tells about the change to shorts, and put a comment there saying change it back.